Hello friends, welcome to PLC YouTube channel. Uh, we can see today's one interesting topic. It's a kind of indirect addressing, but using ladder and even only using one move. So it's kind of we are indirectly moving the value with whatever the point out integer or something. Example, you have a set of values in one set, set of values in set two set. If you point out any specific one value to move from set 1 to set 2, but based on your selection that the values will move. Okay, it may be in the words, maybe I maybe not describe clearly, but I can show you as a demo so you can understand clearly. Okay, let's go directly. For this I will use only one single move. Okay, and already I have created a one data block. That data block have a array of 15, set 1, set 2 and one integer. Okay, I just assign the variable here. Okay, set 1 and set 2, right? It's a very simple move. You may think what, it's just like a data 1 will move to data 2, that's it, right? Okay. Yes, okay, it's just a single move. You can check the stuff. Okay, if you something move, it will move here also. So it's just we are using as a move. Okay, but in this case we are using the move with a different. Okay, now I will use the one more stuff. Okay, here you can see. Okay, I can use this. Okay, the bracket, square brackets, then this. Okay, I can put this one, then you can easily understand. Okay, I'm just using cut this one, then square bracket is this one. It means what? The entire one set in the bracket there is one integer. Okay, now okay, the same other side using set 2. It means there is a two set. Okay, but we will tell you which value will move. Example, if in the square bracket integer, right, you can what is it, dynamically you can change the value. Okay, I can show you, you can get some idea. Okay, right now this is set 1 and set 2. There is an integer value is 0. It means the set 1 zeroth integer is moving to here. Okay, we just moving this integer to 1. Okay, now we will change this first into 100. You can see the second also is moving. Okay, now if I change 200, okay, but it is not moving. But when I change this square bracket stuff dynamically 22, we can see it is moving. It means whenever you want to move the dynamically the value, is it possible to move? Okay, so it means you just moving the inside the integer value based on your, maybe if you want any kind of logic, okay, in your program, you can easily use this. Like example, there is a one table. Okay, you want to fill the table, so one by one example. Okay, every 1 minute we have some sequence. Okay, each 1 minute you just save the value. Okay, So once the first minute, once it's n, we just trigger it with the integer is 1, then the first value will move the value to here, okay. Then the second one, so it's kind of the value you can move it anything, okay. So that's a kind of a, indirectly you are just point out the value to here, okay. So it's a very different one with using the simple move block. So I think you can get it, this one, it is one of the trick. Otherwise I can use another one single stuff. Okay, if I remove this, example, okay, if I just move any here, maybe we can create one more. It means the both side is dynamic, okay. You can you can choose the which one, this side, example, you want the first bit to move to the second one 15th bit is possible. It means, okay, now the zeroth here, it's a zeroth bit, or the second side, other side is 15th, okay. So I'm just sending some value, you can see 100. Okay, maybe here it is also moving, so that's why you are confusing. Maybe I just make to 0. Download. Yeah, you can see now. Okay, we just moved the 0th bit to 15th bit. I'm changing. Okay, the first bit to here the 14th bit. Okay, so what is the first bit here? It's 0. I'm just changing 200. You see this is 200. Here it's moved to 14. It means first in this case we just moved similar same integer. Okay, it means the first set you want to move 0 to second set 0, it's possible. The second one we are changing the dynamically changing the both side. Okay, maybe the first set it may be the first bit, this the receiving side it may be the 15th bit. So any bit anytime you can, based on you can change the logic, you can use it like that. So it's a very simple move block, but we are just point out different sets, when whatever you can send them, whatever you can receive it, based on the integer value. Okay, this is a, I feel the first time it was very interesting one, so maybe it is for you guys also looks interesting in the ladder logic especially. So I think it will be someone it for from someone it will be useful in the programming the life. I think today I can learn I mean I can teach something, so it's good for me and you also, I believe. Okay, see you guys, thank you, bye.